This is going to be a video on the Mori NL2000Y twin spindle. I'm showing you the control pad, regular Fanuc controls. Alright, we got our other keypad right here. Caps lock, you know, all the other different offset program settings. And then we have our screen with our program, which I created. This one has twin spindle, which means it has a main spindle and a sub spindle, a C axis on both sides, along with a XYZ. Okay, now I want to show you some of the tools. This is our sub spindle. Also can be used as a tailstock. Okay, this is the turret. Holds 40 tools. It's a dual tool holder turret. Okay, so you see all the way around. You got live tooling capabilities here also. This is our main spindle. We have a tool setter on this side. We also have one that you could take in and out for the sub spindle. Okay. Now what I'm making here today, well first, I'll finish showing you a picture of the turret. I can get in here, it's pretty tight. Okay, just so you see, there's not too much bed space at all in here. Okay, I'm gonna back up so you can get a better idea. Alright, now today I'm gonna make a part utilizing almost every aspect of this machine. And here we go. I'm doing it manually, only because the bar feeder's not working quite right. Okay, now let's do the stop. Back to the program. Press go. Okay, let's take a look at this. We are drilling. First tool is a drill tool. Okay, we'll pull away. It looks like we're running low on water. I'll put an optional stop here so I clean off the glass. Okay, I turn off the water just for this part, and we will continue. Turning to OD right now with the finished tool. Pulling away. Now we'll bore it out. Oh no. putting the threads on right now. Might be hard to see with a little glare on the part. Finished face.
So you said no on the getting in, right?
I'm getting now.
Sure, wipe the window down a little bit, man.
It's the first time I'm recording it. I want to do the, since I'm using the transfer and everything.
Oh, that's cool.
Live tooling. Not YouTube this yet.
I thought you were talking in the background.
I don't care. They don't know my face. Okay, now continue. We're deburring the threads. The next tool I believe will be boring bar, and then we'll use a end mill. Yes, it is. It's deburring the part. This is a guy that really doesn't know too much. He's just talking in the background.
Just a bug bush.
And the thread should be done. Now it should be boring bar. Yes. And I'm only rolling this without water this one time so you can see, and because we're cutting brass. If this would be Manel or any other type of harder steel, I wouldn't be able to do this. But we should be fine with one part cutting brass with no water. And there goes our boring bar. You can hear the chips breaking nice and smoothly. There it goes. After the boring bar will be our end mill, which will create these 1/8 radiuses on the inside diameter, and it's going to be 6 times. Well, one more time the boring bar. The end mill will be in 6 places, equally spaced out. And this is where the live tooling comes into play, and the tool itself is spinning. But we're going to use the C-axis. As you see, the turret wheels, right now it's not spinning. As soon as the tool retracts, it will index. I believe it's 60 degrees. Yeah, 6 times, which would give you a full 360. And we will remove the birds with the boring bar. Okay, now we're going to blow off the jaws. Those jaws, by the way, had to be bored. I bored those to fit the dimension, so that I can grab this part here on the threads without damaging the, and transfer it over and continue on with the making of this part. So here we go. This is the one of the cooler parts. see if you can see it. Let's see. Trying to give you a good view. You're going to see the spindle right there. It's going to turn on, and then it's going to come over and engage. And here we go. So first, and I am going to turn the cooler on for this time being because we are cutting a lot of material right here. Okay, any problems here? I don't know if you can really see what's going on over here. So that's the part. Okay, so we're gonna open the door real quick. And that's the part after being transferred. Okay, it was turned with those. Okay, so now we're going to finish the last two, I believe. And close the door. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Right now you're getting the glare. And the part was dropped in here. There it is. I'm going to blow it off. Oh, that was done. Just dropped it. And this is our finished part. See, it meets on the face with the radius. You have an angle right here. You have radiuses on the face. It's bedding. The angle meets an angle with the radius on the face. And I will check this thread to make sure the transfer did not damage it. Goes all the way. And that's it. This part is to print. Right? And that is all she wrote.